Tufa.io AI is one of the latest game changers in AI software, and today we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're considering Tufa.io for your business, marketing, or personal projects, stick around because I'll break down exactly why this new AI tool has been generating so much buzz. And yes, you can try Tufa.io completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Now let's get into it. First off, Tufa.io is not just another generic AI software. It's built to streamline specific tasks for businesses, marketers, and even freelancers. Whether you need help with content creation, automation, or customer engagement, Tufa.io positions itself as a versatile AI that can handle a wide range of responsibilities. The interface is one of the easiest I've seen for a tool that does so much. When you first log in, it's clear that the designers focused on user experience, making it easy to jump in and start using the software right away. There's no steep learning curve, which is a huge bonus for anyone who's just getting started with AI. Another standout feature is its ability to integrate with various platforms. Tufa.io isn't a closed-off system. Whether you're using it for email marketing, social media management, or customer relationship management, CRM, you'll find it easy to connect the tool with your existing workflows. This kind of seamless integration saves tons of time and eliminates the headache of managing multiple platforms. But it's not just about convenience. Tufa.io also excels in its AI-powered automation capabilities. It's capable of handling repetitive tasks like scheduling, reporting, and even customer interactions, things that would otherwise take up a ton of time if done manually. This automation is a huge asset, especially for small businesses and solo entrepreneurs who want to scale without hiring a whole team. One thing that sets Tufa.io apart from other AI software is its advanced analytics. The software doesn't just automate. It provides deep insights into how your content is performing, how your campaigns are doing, and where you can improve. This data-driven approach is crucial for anyone looking to take their marketing and business strategies to the next level. If you're into content creation, you'll also appreciate the content generation capabilities of Tufa.io. It can generate everything from blog posts to social media captions, making it an essential tool for digital marketers. The quality of the content is surprisingly good, considering how new this software is, and it saves you a lot of time if you need fresh content on a regular basis. Another thing to note is the AI's ability to learn and adapt. Over time, Tufa.io gets better at understanding your preferences, making suggestions that are more in line with your business or personal goals. This adaptive feature ensures that you're getting smarter recommendations as you use the software more, which can lead to more effective results. Lastly, Tufa.io offers a free trial, which is a rare find when it comes to powerful AI tools. You get to explore all its features without commitment. And if you like what you see, the pricing is pretty competitive compared to similar AI tools in the market. I've tested thousands of AI tools over the years, and Tufa.io is definitely one of the most promising I've come across. It's versatile, easy to use, and packed with powerful features that can benefit just about anyone looking to leverage AI. If you're curious about other AI tools that might work well for your needs, I've listed my personal recommendations in the description below. Try them for free and see which one fits your workflow best. So there you have it. 7 crucial things you need to know about Tufa.io. From automation to advanced analytics, this tool has what it takes to help you stay ahead in the digital age. Don't forget to check out the free trial link below to start using Tufa.io for yourself.